Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this quick video, I will show you what Secure Boot is, how to check if it's enabled on your PC, and if it's not, how to enable it safely on your Windows PC. We will also learn what are the requirements to enable Secure Boot. So now let's start with what Secure Boot is. Secure Boot is a security feature built into your computer firmware. It checks the digital signature of boot software and blocks untrusted programs before Windows starts. It keeps your PC safer from rootkits and boot level malware. In the next step, let's go ahead and verify that if your PC is running a UEFI mode, not the legacy one. On your computer, just go ahead and press Windows plus R and then type msinfo32 and then press enter. In system information, look for the BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, you are good to go. If it says legacy, secure boot won't work until you switch to UEFI mode. Now just below the BIOS mode, you will see secure boot state. If it says on, secure boot is already enabled. If it says off, we will enable it next. Now in the next step, we will check your system partition style. Secure boot also needs your system partition style to be GPT, not MBR. Let's go ahead and check it. Now again, press Windows plus R key. Here we have to type disk mgmt.msc and then OK. Let's expand this and go to disk 0 properties. In the properties, navigate to volume. I can see this partition style already set to GPT with the basic type. If your partition style is showing MBR, you would need to convert it before enabling a secure boot. Now, before we go to BIOS and enable secure boot, let's quickly understand these terms and what to do if your system is on an older format. Legacy BIOS or CSM is a compatibility mode for older system. If your PC shows legacy or CSM is enabled, secure boot will not work. On supported system, you can disable CSM or legacy mode in your BIOS to switch to full UEFI mode. GPT is the newer disk partitioning system that is used with UEFI. It is required for the secure boot. And MBR is the older disk format used with legacy BIOS. Secure boot doesn't support with MBR drives. And Secure Boot is a security feature in UEFI that checks boot software signatures to block untrusted programs. Now, in the next step, let's enable Secure Boot. First, go ahead and restart your PC. As soon as it starts booting up, press your BIOS keys. On HP, it's usually F10 or Escape. On Dell, it's F2. On Lenovo, it's F1 or F2. And on ASUS, it's Delete or F2 button. I have my HP laptop. Let's go to security and find secure boot, and we can see there is no option like secure boot. Now let's go ahead and move to other option. I think it could be in the boot option. Let's go to boot menu, and here we can see that secure boot is grayed out and we are not able to enable the secure boot. To unlock Secure Boot, the first step you need to do is go ahead and set an administrator password in the BIOS menu that is under Security tab. I went to set administrator password and created the one. After any update or change into your laptop or PC BIOS, please make sure you have saved the changes. So now we have completed the first requirement of setting up administrator password on our BIOS. Now let's reboot my laptop again, and here I have to enter the administrator password to enter into BIOS. Now in the next step, let's go ahead, clear all secure boot keys. Once I click, it shows the secure boot keys database is already empty. Now let's go down and select load HP factory default keys. Once I select that, it's asking me to press yes, and as soon as I press yes, I can see that here I have option now to enable secure boot successfully. Perfect. So we have also covered the troubleshooting steps to enable secure boot perfectly. Just go ahead, enable secure boot, exit out of BIOS, make sure to save your changes, and when the PC restarted, your secure boot is now active. Now let's verify that secure boot is enabled. Just go ahead and again press Windows plus R key and type MSN432 and press enter. In the system information windows, look for secure boot state. It says now on, which means secure boot is successfully enabled. And that's it. We have learned what secure boot is, checked UEFI and GPT status, enabled secure boot safely from the BIOS, and verified that it's working. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to channel for more easy Windows tutorial. Your support motivates me to make more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.